Welcome to the Company Value Investor channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use the Williams R indicator. The Williams R indicator is a momentum technical indicator that has a number range between 0 and negative 100. This number helps measure the stocks that are overbought or oversold. Any number between negative 70 and negative 100 is considered oversold. The indicator turns to a green color. Oversold means that investors are selling the stock. The stock is falling, supply and demand. Any number between negative 31 and negative 69 is considered to be in the middle. I only sell stocks when the Williams R is between 0 and negative 30. Overbought. Investors are buying the stock is increasing and demand is high. Buy low when demand is low. The stock is oversold. Sell high when demand is high. The stock is overbought. This simple strategy helps me to buy a good stock at a bargain price and sell it when I make a reasonable profit. As you can see, using the Williams R as an investment tool is easy, fast, and reliable. Try it yourself. Just go to companyvalueinvestor.com. Thank you for your time. Please consider subscribing and tap the bell for notifications. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up.